Good morning, guys. It's Vlogmas day 3. I feel like these couple of days have already gone by pretty fast. So I'm having some coffee. Got my little Santa mug. How freaking cute is that? So I'm really excited. Our new couch and coffee table is getting delivered tomorrow. I'm really hoping that the style of the coffee table like goes with everything else in here, because I was like, oh, it'll be fine. It's kind of like more eclectic because it's got some like metal on it. But now I'm like, oh, is it gonna be okay? I think that's really cute though. It's actually like 2 nesting coffee tables that are round. And we have had, our coffee table that we've had now, we've had, God, since I moved back to Alabama, which was 2016. And we got it at Salvation Army, and it's an IKEA one. Like at the time we were just living in this really cheap apartment, and there was a Salvation Army right up the street, and I'm like, let's just go look. Like, we need something cheap and quick. And it was there. I mean, it wasn't perfect, but it was like good for what we needed. And it's been a good little piece, honestly. Like, it's come in quite handy. That 50 bucks was well worth it. I'm really excited. The couch is going to be uber comfortable. I cannot wait to put fresh pillows and blankets on it. I have at least 1 throw pillow that's brand new I haven't used yet, but I may pick up a couple more this Sunday, which will be Vlogmas day, what, 6? Oh great, I have a breakout right there, you can feel it. I'm gonna do a $50 TJ Maxx challenge, so I'm really excited about that particular vlog day. It's just gonna be like us going out and about, Starbucks, TJ Maxx, a little shopping. It should be good. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll see if maybe there's some nice throw pillows that will go with the couch and the one I already have. Yeah, so I don't know. Today is Ipsy Day. I kind of like thought that like every day of Vlogmas would have like some particular focus, and I have my Ipsy creator box, and they sent some extras, some really fun stuff. So I'm gonna unbox that for you later. I'm gonna keep it vlog style, not trying everything on. I've done try-ons for the last couple of months. I've done a ton of them. So maybe you guys are ready for a little switcheroo and do it a little bit more relaxed and laid back. But I may film in my beauty room just so there's better lighting, but I may just sit down right here and film it for you guys. So we'll see. I'll do that in a little bit, but first I'm gonna have coffee and edit and get ready to put up today's vlog. I'm working like a day ahead, so that, yeah, I don't miss any days. But I stayed up kind of late last night. Unfortunately, I woke up at like 10. So yeah, I need to get started, and I hope you guys are doing great. I'll talk to you in a few minutes. Hi guys, I don't know where the day has gone. I edited a little bit and then I just fell into The Crown. Like, I was just watching like an episode, and then I realized it's 2:30. I haven't eaten, so I decided to make some grilled cheeses. I'm gonna make 2, I'm starving. Wheat bread, and then this is like sliced off a cheddar block, so that's really all it is, you know. But I'm really hungry, so I'm making 2. And let me know, am I like the weirdest person ever, but I put pickle juice on my grilled cheeses. Is that strange? Do any of you do that? I went to Waffle House one time, which, you know, is like drunk food. They used to have like pickles with your grilled cheese, so I put the juice on it, or maybe the juice just like ran on it, and ever since I've put pickle juice on my grilled cheese. Is that weird? So once these are done, I'm gonna sit down and eat my grilled cheeses, and then I'm going to show you guys what I got in my Ipsy Plus, and the new refreshments. So I'm excited. I'm gonna unbox that with you. I think I'm just gonna do it like no makeup style and just stay kind of like chill and relax today. It's freezing. The heat is running like constantly. It's actually, well, it's freezing. In Alabama, it's really cold, but it's the lows in the 30s, which I loved, don't get me wrong, but yeah, it's a lot. So I'll be back in a second. Literally just sat down, and look who's here. Hey bud, you wanna say hello? All right, so I'm gonna unbox my boxes. I decided to get back in my robe after I ate my grilled cheese. I low-key feel like taking a nap, but I woke up late. Like, I shouldn't be taking a nap. Now, this is the Ipsy Studios creator box. It comes with the regular Ipsy Glam Bag and also Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but they actually included an extra something, which I'm excited about. Hold on, move. They put a couple things in here that are like holiday, like fun stuff you can do at home, which I think is really cute. So this is a puzzle. It says Happy Holidays. I think it actually says Happy Holidays. Those are the pieces, that's what I'm thinking. So it actually may look just like this. But I thought that was really cool. Some people love to do puzzles. I get really aggravated if I can't get them. So yeah, we may have to put that together. And then also a deck of cards, which I thought was really cute. That's what the little deck of cards looks like. So they first included those couple of things, so I thought I would just get those out of the way. Excuse me, Manners. Excuse me, bud. Excuse me, bud. Excuse me, bud. Okay. That box has stuff in it. Buddy, what you doing? Can I get this? Let me get this bag out first. And then we turn it. There you go. Are you all set? Is that better? You got the cushion? The box and the cushion? You want the cushion in or out? Help me out, bro. Okay, I don't know. I don't know if that box is gonna survive your ploppage. My buddy. Now that he's situated, we can go on. So first up, I have my regular Ipsy bag, and look how cute. I think I had a like cream colored jacket that was like this material. Probably felt just as nice too. Like it was, I probably got that at like Goodies. Do you guys remember Goodies? Anyway, so it has a little leather strap. You could definitely wear this as like a wristlet, which I think is cool. Anytime they include that, I think it's nice because some of the bags are so cute that you actually might want to take it with you. So first off, there's a couple things that don't fit. It is the It Superhero Mascara. I have tried this formula. It's really nice. I'm pretty sure I have a full size of it somewhere. So I'm not gonna open this, but I'll just show you. It's a little travel size. I am going to be collecting some things because I know that I'm getting several things that I'm like have duplicates of. So I'm gonna put together a giveaway of like all the nicest stuff that I get and also look through my stash. I have quite a giveaway stash. I do have a giveaway going on Instagram though. It's one of my reels, but if you just go to my regular Instagram page, it has like a Huda palette and something else. It's just like a flat lay. And this brush is really pretty. Ooh, but this is by, I think it's Gashi or Gashis or something like that. This brush is really pretty. How it's like green fading to gold, ultra dark green. Super, super pretty. I feel like this is very, very holiday looking. And this is a powder brush, but it's rather small. I feel like I could use this for blush as well, or even like a little bronze. Like this is a very versatile size brush. So I really like this. I have another brush by that brand that I was actually using the other day. I think it's just like a flat packer brush or something, and I really liked it. So we also have Benefit Professional, one that I definitely have. I have it on deck and I have backups as well. So it's like a little mini Professional. I may throw that in there, and I'll probably take these out of the packaging just to save space. But just to show you guys that. But the minis are not like the focus of my giveaway, but you know, who doesn't like getting extras? That's 3 items. We also have the Murad Essential C Cleanser. I really like this one. I think I'm gonna throw this in my shower. I like to have a couple different types of cleansers in my shower because my skin might be, you know, a little bit oilier. I might be breaking out. I might need something stronger, or I might need something gentle. So I like to have like a couple different kinds in there. And this has like little beads of vitamin C, but that's a really good size. I love getting cleansers in bags. And we also have the Purely's Blue Lotus Eye Adore Serum. That is really cute. And this is a good size for an eye product because you're literally going to use such a small amount. This is literally like the amount of product you need for your eyes. Such a small amount. I like that this is thin because I like to layer my eye products sometimes as well, like a serum and then my Kopari Starry Eye Balm is such a good combo. Hydrates, intensively firms, and brightens, decreases puffiness. Okay, so I'm really keen to try this. I'm definitely gonna give these two a try, and I'm very excited about my brush, and I really do like this bag. I think it's really cute. Moving on, we also have the Ipsy Plus. This one's a little bit of a different material, but this feels familiar to me. Like, I don't know what this is, but it's very, I don't know, I like the feeling of it, but it's like kind of slick on the inside, so it's like, I don't know, it feels like the material like crawls around. I don't know why I'm focusing on that, but we got the Tula Soap Polish Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. I bet my battery is gonna die before I finish this. Bastards. So this is what it looks like. I was just using a Tula cleanser last night and I really like it. It's more acne prone, but I've been having breakouts and it seems to help. So I really like that. And this is an exfoliating sugar scrub 2 to 4 times a week. So far I like Tula products. I haven't tried like a tremendous amount, but I like it. We have Verified 2020 Phytoglycogen Peptides Eye Cream, another eye product. I'm not mad at it. I don't have like a ton of eye creams. I certainly have a ton of everything else, but eye creams I don't have a ton of. This is cute. Hello? Hello? 3,000 pumps later. Ooh, that's very like silky creamy. Look, I'm like turning red just from touching my skin. It's whatever. We have the Wander Beauty Sky Liner. This is in jet black. So this is just a black liner. It's got a fuzz in there. So that's what it looks like. I do like Wander Beauty products. I have not tried this liner though, so I'm gonna give this a try. I am gonna definitely be doing a liner declutter. Let me know what you guys think. Do you want me to declutter my lip liners with my lipsticks or lip liners and eyeliners together? You feel me? Like all liners or all lips, you know what I'm saying? Next up, we have something from QMS. Now I know their stuff is pretty expensive. This is the Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream. I'm loving these nails, like these 3 nails. Just keep looking at, they're so pretty. Okay, shut up, Amy. I'm about to go ahead and flatten all these boxes to put in the recycling. I love their packaging, like this blue and silver. It's just, ooh, it looks fancy. Activated Day and Night Creme. I want to know what the ingredient in their stuff is that smells like, I tried the tinted moisturizer thing, I couldn't deal with it, but this one isn't as strong. This one has like a little hint of that smell. I'm sorry, QMS, I really like your products. Please take the fragrance out or change the fragrance, because the fragrance is not, it's not good. Okay, but the products were really, really nice. I just wish they didn't have that smell. Now this I already have and I like. This is the Nomad Toscana palette. It's T-O-S, so I'm saying Toscana, but is it Toscana? I know that it's based off of Tuscany. Oh my God, I need to shut up. But anyway, I do have this palette and I do like it, but I am going to put this in a giveaway. And I think I'll have a couple palettes in that giveaway. Very wearable ones, so like anybody should be able to enjoy. Palette, eyeliner, scrub, eye cream, and moisturizer. So that was a really good one. I bet the value of that's really high too, because I know that QMS is pretty expensive. And then we have one more thing. So if you guys didn't see, they do have a new refreshments subscription. And this one's really interesting. I didn't know what it was at first, but these are more like body care type products. And I think you can pick how often and what you get. I'm gonna have to look into it, but I'll definitely link it so you guys can check it out. So included some stickers. That's pretty cute. Look at it. And this bag is adorable. It's like this silky, the little color combination is really cute. So this has a few products in it. First up, this is the Velvety Body Cream Citrus Spritz. Okay, that was crazy because at first I couldn't smell it. Like, I was like, where is the smell? But then when I rubbed it in, oh my God, that smells so good. It's like lemony. I like that. Okay, so this one is a body cream. It's a big old tube. And then we also have Luscious Hand Cream, which is the same scent. Lord knows we all need some hand cream. That smells really good. It smells refreshing too. Like, I don't like my hand creams to smell like too strong of like perfumey kind of smells, because then if I'm like eating or drinking, I don't want that smell like constantly in my face. That's just me. I'm a little sensitive to smells, but this is pretty good. It smells really nice, but it's not overpowering. And then also it came with cleansing wipes. It's a 30 count cleansing wipes. I don't really use wipes for removing my makeup, but they do come in really handy when I am doing swatches or doing my makeup, like cleaning my hands, wiping off brushes if I'm using like cream products. So wipes do come in really handy. So I'll definitely get use out of these. And that was everything I got in my Ipsys. That was kind of, I got a lot of stuff, but that's really cool. I think the refreshments is really interesting. Oh, so this is first access. I'm gonna have to look into that more, but I'll definitely link Ipsy down below if you want to check anything out. This was gifted to me, but they don't pay me or anything to talk about it. Yeah, I just really like Ipsy. Well, you guys know I've been paying for Ipsy for how long? You guys know I love it, or I wouldn't keep paying for it, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed. Dang, UPS truck just kept going. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas day 3. Shoot. So I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas day 3. Thank you so much for hanging with me, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.